Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a lot of you remember that last year Microsoft has pushed everybody out of the Mail and Calendar app and wanted you to use the Outlook app. That is the new email software or provider or whatever aggregator for your emails. Now, a lot of people didn't like it. A lot of people moved to other things. A lot of people still hate it. It's interesting because we learned today that this is also going to be a version available for enterprise at some point. And they were saying that, they're not yet sure of pushing it to anybody enterprise. So for business, what they did say is you could keep using the Outlook Classic. The Outlook Classic, for those that don't know what it is the one that comes with Microsoft 365 when you're subscribed or in Microsoft Office, and it's called Outlook Classic. But Outlook Classic will eventually be discontinued in 2029. It's supposed to be end of support, and they want everybody to move to this a new Outlook. But Microsoft says that they wanted to push enterprise and businesses into the new Outlook starting April of this year, but now they've pushed the deadline to March of 2027. So basically, that means they've pushed something they're not really confident about to consumers, but they're not pushing it to businesses. It kind of tells you that maybe there are tons of things that are still not, you know, correct. I don't use it personally because my main focus on emails is actually using online services. But, it's kind of interesting to see that they're kind of shoving it and saying, hey, you got to use this. Do you use the new Outlook or have you moved on to something else? Is the question on this video. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.